Good life, the better want a good life, yeah. G-Wagon a class, step in a eat, maga fast in a Farraga my glass, chop up a freeway. Money up, have a flash, but if you broke.
Hey TSWFX family, welcome to another video. This is a quick analysis of USDCAD. Now last week we can see overall trend on the weekly time frame. We can see a downtrend here. We saw that it found support here at this level at about the it found support at about the 0.94494 level, and we can see that price continue up, and it was in a massive uptrend up until 2016 thereabout. Then it found its high. This high has never been retested until since 2016. So we see that price came all the way down and was forming this expanding triangle pattern. Now let's go into that a lot more detail. Now if we look into this pattern, we can see that price has been respecting this resistance level for quite some time. Now this support level as well has been retested at least 3 times here. This support level has been touched, and we can see clearly that this is in an uptrend. Now in that uptrend we had this strong falling channel type structure, or a bullish flag. Now that bullish flag structure was what happened earlier this year, in early January, where the price just hit that support level, which was confluence because it made a third touch on this bullish flag support level, and also on this overall rising expanding channel type structure. So we had the touch there, and then from that we had massive bullish momentum up. Now after having that bullish momentum up, we can see that price literally went into the resistance area here and was rejected. Let's see on the daily time frame what happened. Okay, so on the daily time frame we can see that this bullish candle hit the resistance level and it closed, it was rejected. Then it retested, right? After retesting that, it rejected as well. So it formed a doji or a pin bar. Now after that, price just went all the way down to this previous support level. We're going to look on that on the 4-hour time frame. Now if we look on it, we can see that this 3 candlestick pattern is also known as a shooting star. That is a very strong bearish signal, especially when you're on major resistance level. That is the type of signals that you want. It's not the type of candlestick patterns that you see, but where you see them. That is what's more important. Now we're going to jump onto the lower time frame just to see what's happening on the lower time frame. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame we can see that price hit that resistance level, right? It hit that resistance level, came all the way to here and was lingering for a bit. For about 4 days it was just ranging, and then it just fell massively. Not 4 days, 4-hour candlesticks. It was here, and then it just fell massively. After it fell massively, found support and retested this support level, and then this support level here became resistance. Price came all the way up and retested that level and fell. Now we're going to go on the 1-hour time frame for more clarity. As you can see, we are doing a top-down analysis. We are doing it from the weekly all the way to the 1 hour. Now on the 1-hour time frame we can clearly see that price came all the way from here. This is what we would say looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Why do we say that? We have this, what we will assume is the neckline, the head. So you have the left shoulder, the head, and then you have the right shoulder. And then this right shoulder now that would have been rejected there, we can say when price breaks that neckline, the length of the head to the neckline is what you would use as the if you're trading it, as your take profit or your level that you're watching. And it is practically equal to the same, the gap between from the head to the neckline to here. So if the same amount of pips that would have been from the top of the head to the neckline, and from the neckline to the target would have practically been equal. So we saw that happen, and it retested this support level down here, and then price went all the way up, retested this neckline and was rejected. I never entered the trade here because I don't like holding trades on the weekend, but I'm looking forward to short this pair this week. This is a wonderful pair to trade, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, wonderful trading. I try to do the analysis as quick as possible, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful week. I said before, remember to subscribe, a lot more content coming.